Hi everyone, Rainey with YoYo.com. Just here by. Hi everyone, Rainey with. I don't even know what my dream boat. Hi everyone, Rainey with my dream boat project here to give you an update on what I've been doing. I'm waiting right now because I'm out of wood, so I need to get some more wood to build the last four. That's right, I'm going backwards. So 4, 3, 2, 1, and the transom, and I'll be done my frames and ready to get outdoors. So I wanted to give you an update on that. What else did I do? Well, this table, remember I was doing the yo-yo, bringing all my frames out so I could build one, then bringing them in at night, and then the next day bringing them all out. It's kind of like one of those little games there where you have to move the pieces. Well, I remedied that. My table, as you can see, is a little bit different. I cut a good 2 feet off this side of it, okay? So this side right here. So I cut 2 feet off, which gives me a lot more room. Pull the table over, and as you can see, I'm moving all over here. You can see I have room for all my frames now. There's the first 2 there, and all these. Since I have 5 more altogether with the transom, I should have just about enough room to be able to do that. Now, why didn't I cut the table before? I'm glad you asked that. Those 2 right over there, if you can see them, I'm going to move it over a little bit. Those 2 were a lot taller, so I needed the full height, I guess you could say, of the table. But now that I've done those first, which I'm kind of glad that I did, now that I did those first, I'm able to do all the others on this smaller table. So with that, you have a great day, happy sailing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.